Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a Just Eat driver account step by step. First, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Just Eat app. Open the app, tap Account in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Become a Courier. You'll be redirected to the Just Eat Courier website. Tap Apply Now and fill in your details like your name, email, phone number, and city or town. Then tap Create Account. Read through the courier agreement, scroll down, tick the box to agree, and set a secure password. Select where you'd like to deliver. You'll need to pick a free delivery zone. If there are none available, you'll be placed on the wait list until a spot opens. And that's it. That's how to make a Just Eat driver account. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.